paalala, I'm Mitch again, and for today, gagawa tayo ng creamy Lecheflan. Ang English niyan or similar niya is creme caramel, okay? But yung difference, mas rich to sa Lecheflan compared sa creme caramel. This is very Pinoy recipe. Kung meron na kayong mga recipe sa mga lola nyo, but I want you to try my recipe. Simple lang din siya, and then from my lola also. So, yan. So, let's start with my Lecheflan. For the ingredients, I have 10 egg yolks. I don't use egg whites. Yan talaga sabi nila. And then, condensed milk. Use yung pinakamasarap na condensed milk. Granulated white sugar, and full cream milk. I'm using Conaprol full cream milk. Yan. So, first, you buy llanera, or alam ko meron na kayong mga llanera. So, I'm using this size. This is actually medium. Yan. Para kasya siya here if you want to sell it. Yan. Ito yung binibenta. So, my recipe, 2 to 3 ganito. So, if you want makapal, so, dalawa lang magagawa mo. If you want pang benta, 3 ganito. Simulan na natin. Lagay na natin si sugar. Yung dami ng sugar nyo, magdedepende yan sa llanera. So, if 3, mauubos mo to. If 2 lang, yan, may sobra ka. So, around mga 3 tablespoon for the medium llanera. Tunawin natin to over medium heat. Hanggang mag-caramelize. Once mag-melt na yung side, ikot-ikot mo lang. Yan. So, malapit na yan. You can turn off na the heat. Then, set aside natin. Perfect na to. Set aside natin para mag-cool down. So, habang hinihintay natin mag-cool down siya, gawin na natin yung iba. I have here the egg yolks. Yan. Mix mo muna. You can use whisk or you can use fork lang. Okay? Then, after the egg yolks, you can put now the condensed milk. So, yung magbibigay ng sweetness niya, si condensed milk and yung sugar natin. Mix again. And then lastly, lagay mo na si milk. Tapos, mix again. O, diba? Ang simple lang. And then, we will not be using the oven. Mag-steam tayo mamaya. After ma-mix yung 3 ingredients, kailangan natin siyang salain. Okay? To make sure na walang mga impurities or walang yung mga egg whites or egg yolks na namuo. Steamer yung gagamitin natin. Magpakulo muna tayo ng water bago natin ito ibuhos. Okay? So, here's my steamer. Yan, lagay ka ng water. Then, medium heat. Guys, gusto ko medyo makapal. So, kapalan natin konti ha. Then, kunin ko muna yung isa kong ganto. May ni-ready ako. And then, yung pangatlo is bilog. Para sa mga walang llanera, you can use your 6-inch or 5-inch na baking pan. And then, syempre, takpan natin to ng aluminum foil para hindi malagyan ng water. So, time natin siya ng around 20 minutes kasi hindi man masyadong makapal. Tapos balikan natin. Then our lecheflan is good to eat na. Okay? Check natin. Try to wiggle it. Yan. Yung nagwi-wiggle, yung center na lang, but set na yung side. Okay? Yung isa, it's done already. Okay? Then, yung pangatlo, oops. It's okay already. Okay? So, pa-cool down lang natin konti and then, baliktarin na natin. Side ha. Saglit. Para mag-loosen up lang siya. So, this one. Oops. Sorry, na-slice ko tuloy. Nasira ko kanina. Yan. Perfect. Very creamy. Okay, so here's our creamy lecheflan and gumawa ako kahapon. Tapos, nilagay ko here para if you want to sell it, yan, pwede here. O, diba? Tapos, I also have small para pang tikim, petit. Yan, tanggalin natin. Whoa! Perfect! Para sa mga nagda-diet to. O, diba? Again, guys, the difference between creme caramel, which is our European dessert, with this lecheflan, yung Pinoy dessert natin, mas rich to, and then wala tong cream or all-purpose cream. Yung creme caramel, meron yun. Okay? So, let's try. Wow! Ako mas gusto ko sunog yung sugar. Perfect. Very rich and creamy. But if you don't want the smell of the egg yolks, you can add vanilla extract or any flavoring. Pwede yun. Again, for the ingredients and for the packaging needs, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, and in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!